Keep them moving toward the gate.
All right, girls, let's go.
Temperature steady at 30 degrees.
Acknowledged. The goats are responding well to the filtered air.
The sample weight is consistent.
Barcode scanned, logging the data now.
Our fresh goat meat is sourced responsibly and packaged to perfection, ensuring premium quality every time.
Pallet 34B is secured.
Confirmed on manifest. Ready for the next sequence.
This pallet needs to go to aisle 9, level 4.
Got it. Updating the AGV command now.